Welcome, health enthusiasts, to SK Health's Info, your go-to destination for wellness wisdom. Today, we embark on a journey to discover 10 surprising superfoods that not only tantalize your taste buds but also work wonders in naturally lowering cholesterol. If you're ready to enhance your heart health, stay tuned for some eye-opening insights. And, of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for a regular dose of health inspiration. Let's delve into the world of superfoods. Superfood 1, Avocado. Let's kick things off with the mighty avocado. It's not just a delicious addition to your meals, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which not only add a creamy texture to your dishes but also play a role in reducing bad cholesterol levels while elevating the good ones. From guacamole to avocado toast, there are countless ways to incorporate this superfood into your diet for a heart-healthy boost. Superfood 2, Oats. Now, let's talk about a breakfast staple that deserves a standing ovation, oats. Beyond being a comforting morning meal, oats are brimming with beta-glucans, a soluble fiber that has been scientifically proven to lower LDL cholesterol. Whether you prefer a warm bowl of oatmeal, a hearty smoothie, or homemade granola bars, oats are a versatile and cholesterol-friendly addition to your diet. Superfood 3, Blueberries. Time to turn our attention to nature's little gems, blueberries. These tiny, vibrant berries are not only a treat for your taste buds but also for your heart. Packed with antioxidants known as anthocyanins, blueberries have been linked to lower levels of LDL cholesterol. Snack on them, toss them into your yogurt, or sprinkle them over your morning cereal to enjoy their delicious flavor and heart-boosting benefits. Superfood 4, Fatty Fish. Dive into the world of omega-3 fatty acids with our next superfood, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and trout are not just delectable, they're loaded with heart-healthy nutrients. Omega-3s in fatty fish have been shown to lower triglycerides and provide protective benefits for your heart. So, why not make a splash in your diet by including these fishy delights at least twice a week? Superfood 5, Nuts. Let's take a crunchy detour to explore the wonders of nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, the choices are vast, and so are the health benefits. Packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols, nuts are a satisfying and nutrient-dense snack. Grab a handful, but remember, moderation is key, as they are calorie-dense. Your heart will thank you for this delightful indulgence. Superfood 6, Garlic. Now, let's infuse some aromatic goodness into our list with garlic. Beyond its culinary magic, garlic contains allicin, a compound with potential cholesterol-lowering properties. Whether roasted, minced, or crushed, incorporating garlic into your meals not only enhances the flavor but also contributes to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Say yes to the savory side of well-being. Superfood 7, Spinach. Time to add some green goodness with spinach. This leafy marvel is a nutrient powerhouse, boasting lutein, fiber, and antioxidants. The combination in spinach has been associated with lower cholesterol levels. Whether in salads, soups, or sautéed as a side dish, spinach is a versatile and heart-smart addition to your meals. Superfood 8, Green Tea. Let's take a pause and savor a sip of health with green tea. This ancient beverage is not just a soothing elixir, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants called catechins. Studies suggest that these catechins may contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Consider swapping your regular cup of tea or coffee for green tea to bask in its numerous health benefits. A refreshing choice for your heart and well-being. Superfood 9, Beans and Legumes. Time to embrace the plant-based protein goodness with beans and legumes. From lentils to chickpeas, these humble yet nutritious options are rich in soluble fiber, which has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol. Incorporate them into your meals for a hearty and heart-healthy protein source. Your taste buds and your heart will thank you. Superfood 10, Dark Chocolate. As we near the end of our superfood journey, let's indulge our sweet tooth with a twist, dark chocolate. Before you rejoice, there's a catch: opt for chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. Why? Because dark chocolate contains flavonoids, compounds that may contribute to lower cholesterol levels. So, go ahead, savor a piece guilt-free, and let your heart revel in this delightful treat. As we wrap up our exploration of these surprising superfoods, remember that small changes in your diet can make a substantial impact on your heart health. If you found this information helpful or have your favorite heart-healthy superfood, share it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thanks for joining us Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body and soul.